Okay, back in last summer 2021, some friends, relatives, families, and I have an epic tropical adventure in the Philippines, specifically in my hometown, Ilocos Sur. And this adventure showing one of the most beautiful places to visit that this heritage province has to offer. An adventure that we didn't know then, that this is one of the most epic adventure and to showcase the beauty of Ilocos Sur. If you missed the first episode, here's a quick recap on what went down on our epic adventure. Experience one of the most beautiful sunsets in the world that illuminate the sky with incredible colors and enjoy the beautiful beaches in the region. Then catching up with the perfect views and sceneries on one of the most beautiful panoramic viewpoint in Ilocos, which is the Bantay Abot located in Narvacan. We take a journey through history and extend our immersion in heritage sites and rustic atmosphere that lets us travel back in time and experience a piece of history in the province. Discover natural wonders and venturing deeper in Ilocos Sur Philippines. As a coastal province, Ilocos Sur has several beaches for those looking for a more laid-back atmosphere. Enjoy the waves and have the best little breakfast on the beach with my family is just amazing. Taking a chill in a hot summer weather with this fresh coconut or buko juice. You may enjoy it in the province as you can see it everywhere. Aside from the beautiful beaches in the province, we have enjoyed bamboo rafting and explored the beautiful coastal river or what they call Sabangan along Mangrove Avenue and fish farm located at Paypayad, Candon City. Beside the river is the beautiful beach which we enjoyed the rest of the day. In the afternoon, catching up on this beautiful place called the Mermaid's Lagoon. The water steals like a mirror of the sky, and this place is quite familiar for taking Instagram photos. I recommend to visit this place in the afternoon for amazing view of sunset reflections. An epic road trip to the highland part of Ilocos Sur, which is the Quirino Skyline View Deck, Cervantes and Suyo. I glimpse one of the best places that the province has to offer and experience the breathtaking views of a skyline sea of clouds, beautiful virgin forests, waterfalls, rice terraces, beautiful zigzag roads and lot more. I believe that Ilocos Sur is one of the most epic places in the Philippines.
Madlang February!
Experience one of the most amazing view in Ilocos Sur, aside from Bantay Abot, is the Mount Tapao located in Suyo. Mount Tapao is a new tourist spot in the municipality of Suyo. It is because of an awesome place, especially viewing amazing sunset at the West Philippine Sea and surrounded with beautiful mountains. Okay, back to lowlands. We take a short walk on this beautiful 200-meter long hanging bridge, overlooking the beautiful beach and sunset located along the coastal area of Candon City. By the way, this is my beautiful home place. Captivating Pinsal Falls. It is considered as the entire Ilocandia's largest waterfalls. Pinsal Falls' famed 85-foot waterfall of crystal clear fresh water is also called the Twin Falls by locals, as it reveals magnificent cascading water separated into two. The falls also boast best-kept naturally made mini pools on top, with Angalo's footprint as the biggest among them. These freshwater mini pools are only accessible through a quick trek up the mountain with the best view of the falls, making it all worth it. Brace yourselves with the best food of Ilocos Sur. The Candon City Ecotourism Zone is host to a 132-hectare sprawling watershed. The government of Ilocos Sur plans to recreate activities near the watershed to attract tourists. This place is also noted for its rich culture and food. it and jump. Enjoy the breathtaking views and relaxing resort and experience Bali vibes in the mountains, which is the Bago Resort located in Salcedo. The Bago was derived from the name of a local tribe living in this area. A natural beauty of the highlands, overlooking the Grand Buaya River, Bago Falls from Mount Badarang, and natural spring water pool. Plunge into a cold, refreshing water came from the waterfalls. The best experience I had is skimboarding while enjoying the most beautiful sunset in the world.